Hello, and welcome to this short video explaining the impact of repetitive strain injuries in the manufacturing sector. I'm Stuart Coulton, Market Development Manager for Omron in the UK. Repetitive strain injuries, or RSIs as they're commonly known, can cause a really serious issue in the manufacturing sector. Let's explore how this is the case. We're currently in a situation where manufacturers are experiencing severe difficulty in attracting skilled workers. According to the Society of Manufacturing Engineers, 89% of manufacturers are currently experiencing such difficulties. A truly unbelievable figure given that demand for manufactured goods is outstripping supply at a staggering pace. But what does this have to do with RSIs? Well, with a reduced overall capacity due to increased vacancies, workers are having to put more overtime and putting increased strain on the body while engaging in repetitive manual tasks like lifting, moving and carrying. In fact, according to the HSE, 2.6 million working days were lost in 2017 due to RSIs. Now this could come across as no big deal, but when we consider that the average length of a case of workers' absences due to RSIs is 14 days, capacity problems start to become magnified, and the natural tendency is to increase overtime further for those workers that are left, potentially increasing RSIs even more. Indeed, according to the Ability Net Labour Force survey, over 200,000 work-related RSIs occur every year. If we do the maths, that's over 400,000 lost weeks every year. It becomes very easy to understand the impact this scenario has on the manufacturing sector as a whole. Furthermore, RSI injuries can cost employers more than £5,000 for each case that an employee is unable to work for more than 7 days. So, it's clear that RSIs present a significant challenge to the manufacturing sector, but what can be done to mitigate it? By automating certain tasks such as palletising and labelling, workers can be deployed into areas which are much more challenging to automate and that rely on human intervention, streamlining workflows and increasing overall efficiencies. Give us a call to understand how.